It consists of two auricles and two ventricles. So in total there are 4 chambers. These are 4 chambers. So I will explain you the entire structure with the help of diagram. So let us make a diagram. You can make an outline like this. This one is the outline. अब इसको ऐसे खींचो यहाँ से, ठीक है? ऐसे बनाते हैं. अब इसको ऐसे खींच लो. And now you can make like this. ये हो गया ना? जो बाउंड्री बनी है ना, इसको ऐसे ले लो. ऐसे लाइन खींचो. You can make like this. सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर तैयार हो गया होगा ना. और हम इसको साथ ही साथ लेबल करेंगे. देखो ये दिखाई दे रहा है ना, ये है लेफ्ट ऑरिकल. ऑरिकल को एट्रियम भी कहते हैं. ATRIUM एट्रियम. एंड दिस वन इज लेफ्ट ventricle. This one is the right auricle. Right auricle. And this one is right ventricle. Right ventricle. You can make arrow. Okay. So there is a septa between the two auricles. This is called auricular septa. The septa between the two ventricles is called interventricular septa. So here is a vein which is called vena cava. This one, which is present near the head region, it is known as superior vena cava. Superior vena cava, which comes from the leg regions. This is called inferior vena cava. So this is clear. So outermost layer is known as parietal pericardium. So inner one is known as visceral pericardium. In between these two layers, the fluid is present, which is called pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid. So इस fluid का क्या function होगा? It protects the heart from mechanical shock and injury. So between the left auricle and left ventricles, so there is a valve. This is called tricuspid valve. These are tricuspid valve. The word cuspid means flap. This is 1, 2 and 3. So in total there are 3 flaps. So there is also a valve which is called bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. So another name of this valve is called mitral valve. So you can see it is a small bag-like structure which is just like a clenched fist. So how the flow of blood takes place? From the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. the blood flow plus go to the right auricle. This one is right auricle. Right auricles. From this, the blood move to the right ventricles after crossing these valves. So there is another valves, in simple it is called semilunar valve, but its name is pulmonary valve. Why? Because it forms a pulmonary artery. It forms pulmonary artery. So let me rub this. This one is pulmonary artery. You can make like this. This one is pulmonary artery. The blood from ventricles, right ventricle, it passes through this valve, which is called pulmonary valves. It goes through pulmonary arteries, and it enters the lungs. Here present lungs. From the lungs, it gets purified, so it enters the pulmonary veins. These are pulmonary veins toward this side and that side. These are pulmonary veins. So blood which is purified, it enters the pulmonary veins and it reaches the left auricle. From the left auricles, it enters the left ventricles. So there is also one valve. It is also known as in general semilunar valves. So another name is aortic valve. Aortic valve. So blood enter here, it moves from this, like this. It enters through the aorta. From the aorta regions, it moves to the entire part of our body. So the blood circulation is said to be double. It is called double type. Why it is so called? One is known as pulmonary, and second is known as systemic. Systemic. पल्मोनरी का मीनिंग होगा लंग्स. देखो कैसे होता है, राइट ऑरिकल्स से जब राइट वेंट्रिकल को जाएगा ना, और यहाँ से पल्मोनरी आर्टरी के थ्रू ये जाएगा लंग्स में. जब लंग तक पहुंच गया ना, तो ये होगी पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन. सिस्टेमिक क्या होता है, जब यही ब्लड लंग से होता हुआ ना बल्कि पल्मोनरी वेन्स में आएगा, फिर लेफ्ट ऑरिकल में और लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल में और एओर्टा के थ्रू पूरी बॉडी वार्ड में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा ना. सो दिस इज नोन एज सिस्टेमिक. मीन्स heart to lungs pulmonary, heart to body systemic. So these walls, they are held together with the help of these fiber-like structures. These are called chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae. These are present in both the sides. Here also, these walls, they are held together with the help of the chordae tendineae. So these are muscles like this. So these are muscles. These are called capillary muscles. Capillary muscles which are present only in the ventricles. So it has been seen that left ventricle is quite thick as compared to the right. Why? Because it has to pump blood to the whole part of the body. So this one is thickest portion. So these muscles are called capillary muscles. Capillary muscles. So this was all regarding the structure and the functioning and how it works for the part of the heart. So that's all this heart. Okay. Flow chart of double circulation. As you know that the double circulation is of two types. First is pulmonary and second is systemic. Pulmo means lungs, systemic means body. How it is done? So I will make a block diagram. Block diagram. So first is superior vena cava. Superior vena cava. coronary sinuses, inferior vena cava. So you know what is coronary sinuses? It is a blood vessel of heart. So all these three, they pour deoxygenated bloods. Deoxygenated blood means impure blood. Pure blood to right auricle. From the right auricle, the blood goes to right ventricles. So there is a valve which is known as tricuspid valve. Then from the right ventricles, it passes through the pulmonary artery. After crossing the pulmonary valve, so then it supplies blood to the lungs. Here the blood gets purified. Why? Because lungs, there is an exchange of gases take place. Carbon dioxide move out and oxygen move in. So after the blood gets purified, it enters through the pulmonary veins. It goes to the left auricle. From the left auricle, it goes to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, it goes to the aorta. From the aorta, it goes to our body. You can label here from this point to this point. This is called pulmonary circulation. And from the lungs to the body part, this is known as systemic circulation. So this is all about the double circulation of blood.